story from the project. Innocent black man. Let me be clear. Damn, man. The story from the project. Innocent black man.
What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Small Account Challenge. Today is day number 64. The market always reminds me that you got to put your seatbelt on and get ready for a ride. Of course, you know this morning we had CPI data, and those kind of reports always shift the market in one direction or the next. Letting you know, as a trader, you got to be ready for anyone, and we was ready for them. Today, we missed our mark by $1. We almost cracked 1,000 today, y'all. Now, I'm going to tell you exactly how we was in and out fast in today's midday market recap. All right, y'all, so let's go over the trades from this morning. After CPI data came out, that report came in nice, or at least the market liked it, so it kind of caused a lot of stocks to gap up. So I knew then how I was going to play this market out this morning. Placed my attention on the first one, which is the main one I like to watch, which is SPY. Let's pull the chart up. I got into this one. My first trade was at 9:36. Let's pull the chart up. Oh, it's ready up. Okay, cool. Our first trade was at 9:36. And we was playing this to the downside because, like I said, CPI data had caused a lot of stocks to gap up. So I'm figuring people who held overnight, what they want to do now is at the open is take profits. So that's what I'm expecting them to do. So at 9:36, right here, 9:30, the market is indecision because people are taking profits. But at the same time, there are people who wanted to go down and pushing it down because they know, of course, because of that gap, there's a lot of profit taking. I waited for the next candle, jumped in, wrote it down, and caught a nice little trade on there. That got us about $16 right there. We was good there. All right, cool. So then we waited for another entry. Our next trade on SPY was at 9:50. And we also won on that one. And that one also was to the downside. Because after that 9:35 candle closed, buyers came in and pushed it back up at 9:45. And then at 9:50, buyers are still pushing it in. And we got in this at 9:50, but it was, no, I think we got in like 9:54 or something like that. And because we knew that now that after this quick squeeze up, the next candle, bears should take control again. That's exactly what happened. And we wrote it down and caught a nice trade on that one. That was our second trade of the day and on our last trade of the day because we not staying long after we got green. We was trying to cross $1,000 in the Webull account, but we just missed it. It was on SPY at around 10:12. This one was to the upside. All right. This one was to the upside. Okay, cool. At 10:10, there was a doji candle. Doji candles normally mean a candle of indecision. Nobody's really in control, not the bigs or the bulls. But now you know we at 10 o'clock, and you know the volume is starting to wither away in the market because retail traders are starting to take their bag and go home. People who lost in the morning are kind of hoping for something else. So that's why you get them kind of candles late like that. So anyway, I waited for the next candle. It just so happened that closed as a doji, but initially it popped up. We was able to catch that one as well. That was another nice trade for us. After you have 3 straight wins, what you do, you pack your bags and you get out of there. They were all small wins, but of course, you know, it almost added to like $28, I think it was. We'll take it. And that's how we crossed up to $999 in the Webull account, missing 1,000 mark by $1. It's okay. We will get that probably tomorrow or Friday. That's how the game go. Anyway, y'all, we're going to continue growing these accounts. That's the name of the game. The longer the market is giving us opportunities, we must continue to take them. That's how you play this game. There is never a need to view a green candle or a red candle as negative or positive. That's just information letting you know is your criteria present for you to take a trade. Once I see my criteria, my edge,